I'm sorry I'm late. Oh. You started without me.
The grant committee's director will be here soon. It's fine, Parker. I invented this equipment. I think I can handle it.
Power damper. Oh, man. Maybe we should abort.
Not yet.
Hold on! Dr. Octavius, are you okay?
Another setback. But we're close.
Is anyone hurt?
No, it was all my fault.
The energy levels exceeded our expectations. From a certain viewpoint, that's a very positive development.
It doesn't smell very positive.
I assure you, in the next phase...
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Is there somewhere else we can discuss this?
Maybe you should take the rest of the day off, Peter.
But
we'll talk later.
that was a disaster. How could the dampener have failed? I know Doc said take the day off, but...
Bonsoir à tous, aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo sur Spider-Man Insomniac. Et voilà, on commence l'épisode 2 en beauté, hein. Octavius qui fait des conneries, et on adore. Hop, bah c'est parti, on va faire bouger ce machin.
You are in bad shape, little guy.
Hop.
Let's see what's wrong with you.
Alors les énigmes, je vais les passer. Hein. Je vais les passer parce que je trouve ça extrêmement chiant, surtout qu'il y en a beaucoup au cours du jeu, alors... Et surtout que je les ai déjà fait des centaines de fois. Moi j'en peux plus. Et voilà, on passe à l'essentiel. Réussite, réussite, réussite. Tout est nickel.
Let's see if that worked.
Hop.
Good as new.
Et voilà. Tout est good.
Doc's been testing new materials for the prosthetics. He asked me to review his work if I had time. May as well dig in now.
Donc ça pareil, hein, ça va être encore des énigmes qu'on va passer très gentiment. Parce que je sature. Hydrogel polymère.
Strong, but there's a lot of impedance. Better tell Doc to keep looking for other materials.
Et voilà, mon autre second travail. On quitte le labo. Et on redevient Spider-Man. C'est parti.
Spider-Man, it's Yuri.
Fisk make it to Rikers yet?
Not Rikers. Our boy qualifies for the VIP treatment. He's in the raft.
Ah,
c'est encore pire. Hein.
Electro and the rest. Fisk should be honored. That's a steamed company.
Can you swing by the precinct? Got an issue that could benefit from your unique skill set.
For you, Yuri, anything. I'm on my way. Huh. Looks like Jameson's got a new episode out. Wonder what my number one fan
Oh, on va entendre Jameson en VO.
This is Just the Facts with J. Jonah Jameson, where listeners like you discuss the issues affecting our city with Pulitzer Prize winning two Two
Oh,
times.
stylé.
Pulitzer Prize-winning former
J'aime bien la
publisher of the
BO.
Daily Bugle. Hey, plug the book. And as always, if you order Mr. Jameson's book, Spider-Man: Threat or Menace, within 24 hours of our broadcast, you'll get an autographed copy at no extra charge. No personalizations. Don't ask. Not gonna get it.
Ah, je me suis raté.
Just the facts with J. Jonah Jameson, alerting you to the threats you don't even know about. Let's dive right into the calls. Speed.
Okay, so not for nothing. You gotta give Spider-Man respect for taking down Wilson Fisk, right? I mean, one less mob boss is good for everyone.
Is that right? Tell me, are you a police officer? Prosecutor? Maybe an award-winning reporter with decades on the job like me?
No, I'm a plumber.
Oh, good. Then fix my toilet and shut up! Let me explain something to you about crime bosses. As soon as one goes down, every punk with a gun, a tracksuit, and a drawer full of gold chains decides he's the next godfather. We're gonna have a gang war in the streets, but does that whip-headed moron give a damn? Of course not. He got on TV. That's what counts.
Yeah, well, I can get copper pipe without paying kickbacks now. So until that gang war starts, I'm on the webhead side.
And you'll be singing a different tune when 3 new mobs are lining up to charge you triple for that same pipe. Or just break your legs. Goodbye!
Someday, Jonah, I'm gonna get you to say something nice about me.
Ouais, je suis pas sûr qu'un jour ça arrivera. Hein. Toujours aigri ce mec.
Now that you quit smoking, what do you tell people when you come up here?
That I need a break from their crap.
Fair enough. So, why'd you call? Need a date to the policeman's ball?
You got a black and white suit? No ball this year anyway. We spent too much integrating Oscorp surveillance tech.
Worth it though, right?
It was. Till an hour ago. The system went down. Citywide. Every tower.
How?
They tell me someone sabotaged the central server, and now all the towers are offline.
Inside job?
Maybe. I'll figure it out later. Right now, we need to get the towers back online. Fast.
And you called me? Aw, that's sweet.
I called someone I could trust. Plus, the signals are scrambled and we have no idea how to fix it.
Ooh. I love a challenge.
You break it, you buy it.
I thought you trusted me. Let's take a look at this tower.
Ouais, donc ça, je vais pas le zapper parce que j'aime bien. C'est la seule énigme pas chiante en vrai. Hop. Ouais, celle-là je la trouve sympa.
We just had a tower come back online. Was that you?
Not just a pretty mask, huh?
Whatever you did, any chance you could do it to the other towers?
Sure, but just so you know, I had to sync up with the tower to fix it. I'm seeing all crime data in the area now. Looks like there's a break-in happening near me.
Great. I've got units nearby.
Don't bother. I'm on it.
Ah, c'est un petit crime, c'est des petits voyous quoi. Une pas deux et c'est réglé, pas besoin d'envoyer une brigade.
Pretty sure these guys didn't forget
Let's
their
go.
keys.
Oui, je sais, je connais. Encore une fois, il faut enlever les tutos, hein. Voilà. Et ça c'est nickel. J'ai traversé la poubelle, c'était perturbant. Et ben je l'ai encore traversée, elle a disparu devant mes yeux.
Thanks for that.
Ok.
Now I'm seeing an assault near you.
You're in luck, Yuri. Your favorite tough but lovable, grizzled, seen-too-much detective is in town.
What? No. You promised you wouldn't do that any...
Spider Cop.
Please, no.
Purée, l'inspecteur Spider, il est stylé en VO, j'adore. Ah ouais, j'adore le... Ouais, je kiffe. L'inspecteur Spider.
So you're the snitch.
Back off, creep.
Yep, she's the one.
I said back off! Leave me alone!
Keep it quiet, lady.
Don't touch me! Help! Help!
Get away from her.
Bam, dans ta face. Les brutes, nanana, on connaît. Hop. Oh, il m'a chopé. Eh. Voilà, lui c'est bon. Oh, je voulais l'esquiver. Perfect timing. Toi, ramène-toi. Ouais, mais stéréo. Et voilà, nickel.
Walk away now, or she's dead.
Let me go!
All clear, ma'am.
I knew Jameson was wrong about you. You're a little weird, but you got a good heart.
Have you got somewhere to go?
I can take care of myself.
I'm sure you can, but just in case, there's a place called the Feast Center.
Seen it. I don't want charity.
They got the best wheat cakes in the city, hands down.
Mom used to make those. Haven't had any in a long time. I'll check it out. Thanks, Spider Guy.
It's Spider-Man. Oh well. Should be able to spot the next tower from up there.
On peut l'appeler l'araignée. On peut l'appeler l'homme araignée. Mais on peut pas l'appeler pour dîner. Voilà, c'est une petite ref. Bah, si vous avez la ref, c'est tant mieux. Let's go.
From his elevated position, Spider Cop spies his destination. A second surveillance tower.
Are you narrating yourself?
What? No! Of course not! The Chief never did understand Spider Cop. Thought he was a loose cannon.
Already regretting this.
Bet I can modify these towers to track more than just crimes.
Il faut faire un jeu sur l'inspecteur Spider.
Score. Towers are picking up all kinds of RFID signals now, including one nearby. What is that? Oh wow.
Le petit sac à
Old
dos.
backpacks from high school. Forgot I attached tracking dots to these. Wonder how many of these are scattered around the city.
Ah ouais, j'avais zappé qu'il y en avait beaucoup. Ouais. Ouais, il y en a pas mal. Il y en a perdu beaucoup quand même. Ouais. Il y en a perdu beaucoup. C'est comme ça qu'il est devenu pauvre.
Still there? Got a robbery a few blocks away.
Spider Cop's on it. Part man, part spider. All cop.
Où est le crime? Là-bas. Il était juste à côté. Oh, j'ai explosé les trucs derrière.
Open the safe. Do it.
Hey, fellas.
Ah! Spider-Man! Shoot him!
Hop, je me suis trompé de bouton.
More of them? Guys, if you worked this hard at a legit job, you wouldn't need to be criminals.
Ah bah il y en a un, il est déjà KO, je sais pas comment il a fait pour... Ouais, il s'est pris la portière. Allez, let's go.
I'm gonna repair the
suite.
last Chinatown tower now.
Don't you mean Spider Cop's gonna repair it?
Been doing a little thinking, Yuri. Policing's a young man's game, and Spider Cop, well, he's no spring chicken.
Please be going where I think you're going.
As of today, Spider Cop is officially retired.
Oh, thank God.
J'adore la voix qu'il fait, putain.
We'll all drink tonight, Yuri. Drink to the memory of Spider Cop's tireless... Yuri? Yuri, you there?
Et bah voilà, on a fini la petite mission. Hop, on a terminé la phase tuto.
Not good. Can't have people taking pictures of my 3 chest hairs.
Alors chef, actually ton costume il est pas déchiré parce que t'es en New Game Plus et je t'ai mis une autre tenue. Alors voilà quoi.
Doctor, how did it go with the committee? I'm so sorry I screwed things up.
Not at all, Peter. They're just nervous in the face of imminent triumph.
Moi du coup ouais, faut retourner encore là-bas.
No, no. I'm stepping out for dinner.
On va faire les tours qu'on voit en chemin.
Short break, then back to creating the future.
Hop, comme ça. Tac.
Wish I could bottle and sell that man's
On passe la cinématique.
Sounds like he's left the lab for the day. Good
Et
time
on
to
y
work
va.
on my suit in private.
Available units need response to a break-in. Officers needed in
Hop,
Tenderloin.
il y a une
Please
tour
copy.
ici. Non, en vrai, les tours, attends, mais en vrai, on s'en fout si je fais juste l'histoire. Je vais pas faire de secondaire en let's play, je pense. Je vais juste faire l'histoire, comme ça, il n'y a pas trop, c'est pas trop chargé. Hop, nickel. Allez où, docteur?
Time to sneak in some spider work.
Docteur est parti, let's go. Il y a beaucoup de choses à regarder en vrai, on va juste regarder vite fait.
I interned for Doc in college. He made me realize I could do as much good for the world in a lab coat as I could in tights. Maybe more.
C'est trop mignon.
Doc's made huge breakthroughs his whole career, but he's always been upstaged, usually by Oscorp. This time, it's going to be different.
Ah bah Oscorp c'est des influents. Ah c'est stylé quand même ça. Hein.
Parker! Dr. Octavius, what you got there?
Chinese. If I know you'd be here, I would have... What are you working on?
Oh, just a side project.
Of course. It's you.
I don't know what
Oh, come on, Parker, it's obvious.
Let me explain.
I only wish you'd told me sooner.
I wanted to, but I was afraid that if word got out, my family might be in danger.
Huh. Yes. I guess if you design his equipment, you're bound to be a target too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't worry. Your secret's safe. Well, I'll leave you to it.
That should do it. Excuse me, New suit, same old me.
C'est toujours le même mon chef, mais t'as pas eu droit à la modélisation. Ah, on peut directement faire les DLC. Alors. Est-ce que je fais les DLC en premier? Non. Faudrait qu'on commence les DLC quand il y aura une pause dans l'histoire, une sorte de petite pause.
Spider-Man, I think I figured out how Fisk's men are keeping his rackets running. Construction sites.
Wasn't that shut down when he was arrested?
No, it's one of his legitimate businesses. Multiple investors. We can't act without cause.
But now you've got...
Ah merde, j'ai coupé le dialogue. Attendez, je regarde juste. C'est lequel que je peux faire? Celui-là, je peux le faire. Si vous jouez nanana. Mais du coup, à quel moment je peux les faire ceux-là? Je pense que je pourrais les faire... Ah bah je sais pas, franchement je sais pas. Alors, toile de choc, je sais plus c'est laquelle, bah c'est celle-là. Toile de choc.
Awesome. Doc would be proud.
Stylé.
Can't believe Spider-Man finally won. It ain't over till it's over. Oh, I know, but I remember when you were
Je suis trop con. Dégage. Ok, il m'a pas fait repérer, c'est nickel. Oh non, j'étais vraiment con là par contre. Hein. Oups. Bah, je peux mettre le même, hein, il va dégager. Hein. Hop, c'est bon, il s'est fait entoiler. Ah, il m'a vu. Ok, c'est pas grave. Oh là là. Hop, toi je t'ai. Oh purée, j'ai essayé d'utiliser une parade. Mais c'est dans Spider-Man 2, c'est pas dans celui-là. Oh là, il s'est pris. Oh, ce qu'il s'est pris. Oh, celui-là, je l'adore. Oh là là. Ça, c'est beau. Hop. On fait le pouvoir de tenue pour rien, mais... c'est histoire de... qui nous laisse tranquille.
Welcome to the party. House rules. Leave your shoes at the door. Unless you're not wearing socks, in which case, buy some socks already.
Oh là là. Tac. Ah putain, merde. Oh, je vais mourir. Oh, je vais mourir. Toi, mange. Hop, toi. Ah merde, il a pas fait ce que je voulais. Tac, ça c'est carré ça. Oh, je l'avais pas vu. En fait, j'ai vu à la toute fin avant qu'il tire. Mais c'est déjà foutu quoi.
more, guys. Welcome to the party. House rules. Leave your shoes at the door. Unless you're not wearing socks, in which case, buy some socks already.
Come on! That's not fair! Take him down! Get back down here!
Hop. Ah, j'ai pas réussi à le choper.
Man down! Bring him down over.
Anyone want to surrender?
Oh là là, c'est super beau. Ah, il est tout là-bas. Wow, j'ai chopé. Je vais balancer des trucs dans leur gueule parce que là, je vais pas m'en sortir sinon. Hop, je peux envoyer ça. Là, j'envoie ça. Nickel. Bon, un petit peu dur. Le début du combat était un petit peu compliqué, mais on y est arrivé.
Finally reported shots fired, so I've got officers inbound. Good work. Fisk has more construction sites throughout the city. Betting their
Ouais,
fronts
oui,
too.
vas-y,
Keep
c'est
an
du
eye out
secondaire,
and
hein, on s'en
report
fout.
in if you see anything suspicious.
Hop, donc
If I'm gonna
voilà.
find all of Fisk's construction sites, I should recalibrate my mapping software to be more accurate. Using a depth-mapped post-process on photos of popular landmarks should do it. And I know just the one to start with.
On va aller tout là-haut. C'est, je sais pas si c'est une tour à activer.
Received of a narcotics sale in progress. Officers needed in Gramercy. Please copy.
Good old Empire State. Man, I love this town.
Ah non, c'est pour la
Time to
photo.
grab a snapshot.
On va prendre une petite photo. Hop, et voilà.
That'll do it. Map should be recalibrated now. Haven't done much photography since quitting the Bugle.
Il y a plein de photos à prendre pour le Daily Bugle. Mais pareil, c'est du secondaire. Bon, c'est vraiment le tuto l'épisode 2 et c'est pas très intéressant.
Huh, it's Mr. Lee.
Et là, on commence l'histoire.
Martin Lee. I just wanted to let you know we need a little extra time to get set for May's party.
Attends, ouais, on va aller directement.
The cake delivery is stuck in traffic.
Oh, sure thing. Just let me know when you're ready and I'll swing by.
Great. Talk to you soon.
Okay, got some time to kill. Let's see what's happening out in the city.
Ah mais attends, non, c'est pas là que je dois aller. Il est là, le fist. Je crois qu'il est là. Ah voilà, il est là. On va aller directement au fist. Comme ça, dès qu'il nous rappelle Martin Lee. Hop. Voilà, nous y est. Ah bah attends, il y a un crime. On va aller faire le crime.
I better stop them before they end up in driver's ed videos.
Just pull over your top. Take him out.
Young man, I will pull this car over right now.
Hop, toi je te chope. Oh putain, il y a eu un petit bug là. On est passé à travers plein de voitures. Hop là. Oh là là, c'est beau tout ça. Hein. Oh merde. J'ai pas spammé comme il fallait.
Rush hour is no joke.
Bon bah, c'était un petit échec accompagné de bonnes choses. Enfin, ils ont été arrêtés, mais la voiture est tombée quoi. C'est pas grave. Et bah voilà, hein. On chill, hein. On attend qu'on nous rappelle. Et voilà.
Hey Peter, we're all set for the party whenever you're ready.
Cool, I'm on my way.
Hop. Let's go. On se change en Peter.
Mr. Lee's probably in the kitchen getting ready for the party.
Et on découvre le Fist. Rien à voir avec... Ah, j'avais jamais fait gaffe ça. Est-ce que ce serait pas la tête des développeurs? Ce serait marrant. Enfin bref. Hop, voilà un peu... Ah oui, dis-moi.
Hey guys, how's the game going?
How's it look like it's going? I'm winning.
Get this guy checked for dementia, Pete.
Ma.
I'm crushing him.
Well, the important thing is having fun.
Hey, Peter. What's up?
Just dropping in.
Et voilà notre petit Martin.
Hey, Martin, so sorry I'm late.
You were right on time. Just keep her distracted while we get everything ready.
You got it. Hey, there's my favorite aunt.
Peter, what a nice surprise.
Need some help?
Yeah, sure. Oh, there are some heavy
No,
boxes.
no. I mean, not yet. I mean, I came to, I just wanted to talk.
Okay. Okay. Peter, are you in trouble? Do you need money?
No, I mean, I'm a little behind on my rent, but no, I'm fine.
Girl problems again, huh?
What? No, that's crazy.
I still wish you and MJ could work things out. She's a great girl.
She is, but...
The two of you would make some beautiful babies. Peter, what is it? Come on, you can tell me.
These past few years, you helping me through college and working here, sacrificing so much and asking for nothing. I just wish there were more people like you in the world.
He's right. 5 years ago, you walked in here and told me you were inspired by my mission to help others. Now it's you who inspires me. Thank you, May, for everything. Here's to many more years of service.
Thanks again for setting all this up.
Oh, I just wish I could do more.
Well, May's always told me if you help someone,
you help everyone. Yeah, maybe we should send May to City Hall to have a word with the mayor.
Oh, I gotta run. Thanks again for the party and everything. It really means a lot. Voicemail from Yuri. Should check it outside.
Il faut se barrer d'ici parce qu'il va y avoir de la pagaille. Et on doit aller sauver le monde. Oh là là, il est... Non mais le costume il est tellement beau, je le répète, il est tellement beau. Alors dis-nous tout Yuri.
Voicemail from Yuri.
Hey, silent alarm.
Bon, je sais ce qui va se passer, mais bon.
Estate sale just tripped. Could you check it out quietly? I don't want to make a scene if it's nothing.
Fisk estate sale. Sounds fun. Wonder what the Kingpin had hidden in his closets.
Hop.
Officers respond. Witness report of an active drug deal. Nearby officers, please proceed.
Ah ouais, sympa, c'est où? C'est juste là, on va le faire.
Gonna guess these guys aren't trading baseball cards.
Hop.
Hey guys, you got prescriptions for this stuff?
Peter, I lost track of you at the party.
Yeah, I had to get to the lab. Sorry.
Il est où le reste? C'est lui.
I just wanted to tell you how much what you said meant to me. I always wonder if I'm doing right by you.
Well, stop wondering. After losing my parents and Uncle Ben, there are so many times I would have fallen apart if not for you.
Well, that works both ways, Peter. I just wanted to make sure you knew that.
May, I don't know what to say.
Oh, I think Mr. Lee needs my help. I should go. See you soon, dear. I love you.
J'ai raté mon timing. Hop. Il y a des méchants de partout, hein.
Gotta stop it.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils font dans un parc pour enfants?
Try hitting me. Spoiler.
Bande de grands malades. Oh, eh, ça c'était stylé, hein.
Live by the beatdown,
Oh, attends,
die by the
attends,
beatdown.
Attends, ça mérite un petit selfie tout de même, hein. C'est assez drôle. Voilà.
Here we sit quietly. Better find a back way in.
Et on va s'arrêter là pour la vidéo. J'espère que ça vous aura plu. Et si c'est le cas, vous savez quoi faire tout simplement. Je vais pas vous le dire. Vous dislikez. Je viens de vous le dire, mince, my bad. Alors voilà. On va commencer la prochaine vidéo sur cette image là. Et ben voilà, à plus les gars. Ciao.